Hello, and today I wanted to demo you the Amadeus MCP that we have created. It is in the AI chain public repository under Amadeus protocol project. And right away, you can see different ways to install it. You can, for example, follow the Gemini or Claude code instructions, and I'll try to show you how to first install it and then a few use cases that you can have with Amadeus MCP, how to get some chain information, how to even request yourself testnet Amadeus tokens, and you will also be able to get latest documentation, but that is the feature that is coming soon. So let's get to it. You can open here the documentation. I'll just copy this command for now and show how to set up the MCP in the folder where you are working with your agent. So first of all, MCP is like the Moodle context protocol server that your agent can use to do various useful stuff that AI can communicate with pretty easily. So you can add it in case of Claude like this. Here it says that MCP server already exists because I have added it before. So let's start Claude. Let me also start Gemini. I already added the MCP to Gemini as well. I added it by modifying the Gemini settings JSON config. And you can explore available MCP servers from your terminal like this. You can do MCP here as well. And let me open the tools for the Amadeus MCP server in Claude. And these are the tools that are available for the MCP server. You can use any of them directly, or you can ask your agent various questions and it will infer which MCP tools to trigger. So let me, for example, ask Claude the question, what is the richest address on Amadeus blockchain? And for Gemini, I will be a little bit more explicit because Gemini requires you usually to be more explicit so that it doesn't go into the rabbit hole. I'll tell it use Amadeus MCP to get chain stats and tell me what are the current p-flops. Sometimes you also need to approve your agent to use a specific tool. In case of Claude, I already approved it before and it remembered my choice. For the Gemini, it will most probably ask me to approve the tool usage right now after it figures out what to do. So Claude successfully got the address and the balance for this address. And let me just take this address to show the example. How do you query the MCP faucet to get yourself some testnet AMA? Beware that you can query the faucet only once per day, and you need to be very careful when you copy your testnet address so that you get the testnet tokens and they don't disappear, so that you don't need to wait like another day to do another try. So let me ask Claude to query testnet AMA to this address. Get some testnet AMA from the faucet to this address. It already has the address in its context, so it will just use the same address to get testnet AMA. And I expect it to fail because I already did query testnet AMA from Claude about 40 minutes ago, and it says that you need to wait 23 hours, 16 minutes in my case for the next try. And the faucet is rejecting requests. In case of success, the faucet would have returned the transaction hash, and you can explore the transaction hash and see the transfer that the faucet did to issue some testnet AMA. The Gemini is definitely falling behind a bit. Perhaps something's up with their servers, so let's wait for it for a few more seconds. Pretty sure it should manage the task. Okay, now it found the tool. So here I need to approve the request, and it successfully got the pflops for the Amadeus chain. This was a short intro into how you use Amadeus MCP, what it can do for you. You can even connect it to your ChatGPT, but ChatGPT requires the development mode to be turned on for that. Or you can even use it like natively directly as HTTP server. But of course, the most funny way to use it is to just connect it to your agent and let the agent do the magic. Thank you.